Chapter 10 is all about cell division, which is basically when the cell gets ready to reproduce, it just splits everything in half and becomes two different cells. And eukaryotes, it's divided into two main stages, which are mitosis and cytokinesis. And mitosis is basically the splitting of the nucleus, and cytokinesis is the splitting of the cytoplasm. But before it can actually split, it has to replicate its chromosomes, or chromatids, which is basically two chromatids make a chromosome. So a chromatid is just a part of a chromosome, but it's held together by a centromere. And then mitosis is actually consists of 4 stages, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, plus interphase, but which isn't really a state of mitosis. But anaphase is just the cell becoming dormant. It starts to get activity, I guess you could say. Prophase, which is the first and longest stage of mitosis, which takes 50 to 60% of the time required to complete mitosis. But it's basically the centrioles start going to either side, and a spindle begins to form, and the nuclear envelope begins to break down. The second phase is metaphase, which is the centrioles are pushed to both sides of the cell, and the chromosomes are lined up in the middle. It's because they are getting ready to split to both sides of the centriole. Anaphase, which is the next stage, is the actual splitting of the chromosomes in the cell. So it has centrioles on either side, and you can see, like, if you look through the microscope, you can see the chromosomes are actually pulling apart. It looks like, I guess you could say, like fingers, like when they pull it apart. That's what it looks like. And the last stage, which is telophase, is like the cell begins to form a peanut shape because each of the chromatids are pushed to either side with its own centrioles, so it's getting ready to split, which like pushes it into a peanut shape. And then the last stage, which isn't the stage of mitosis, but it's cytokinesis, is just the cell pinches in half, and